I can get my camera to go down a little bit. Oh my god, that's way too much. What a night. What is going on? Anyways, I'm gonna have a cookies and cream Built bar for a snack. It is 9:48. Oh my gosh, what are you focusing on? You're focusing on my Captain America shirt. Yeah, so it's a cookies and cream Built bar. And I had it in the fridge. I've never had a Built bar from the fridge. Some people like them from the fridge, some like them at room temperature, some like them melted or softened or whatever. I know at room temperature they're like super chewy. So here's this one. Let's try it from the fridge. Oh my gosh. Allie and Jax collided like right when I was getting ready to have them come in to have snacks and get ready for bed, and Allie and him collided and his head hit her cheekbone, and it is instantly huge. So bedtime got delayed because we had to ice her eye. But all right, let's see. Oh, I thought it was just like gonna snap in half, but no. Looks like it's still super chewy. Oh my god, I hope everybody stays in their bed so I'm exhausted. How the heck could anybody like it in the fridge? It's so hard. Still so good. I love the cookies and cream one. This one and peanut butter brownie are my favorites. I like the salted caramel too, but so good. I don't know how to describe what the inside is. It's like, I don't know. It's just chewy. I don't know. There's a piece of hair on me. Oh geez. I feel like I just filmed eating one of these in the past week. I think it was this flavor. I think I even said it would be good if there was like crunchy pieces in it. I don't mind my head. I had a blemish and I tried to rip it off and then it just like bled forever. It wouldn't stop, so I put like a little piece of paper towel on it, or a little piece of toilet paper this morning, and Jax is like, "Oh, Mom, what happened?" I told him, I said, well, I said I had a boo-boo and I picked at it, now it's bleeding. He's like, I can see the bleed, because you could see the blood coming through it. It bled like crazy. It's like, what the heck? It was so funny. He was so worried. It's like somebody was messing on my desk. And he was like, oh, my buddy, it's okay. I'm okay. So Alani new bars, they're on sale. I mean, they're $29.99 for a box of 12 on my website. They've been sold out of the chocolate cake, or no, peanut butter cup and blueberry muffin, which I really want those flavors. I just looked on Amazon today and it had a few sellers that had them, and one of the sellers was GNC. I'm like, oh duh, I bought the singles there. Why didn't I need to look there? Right now they have the boxes, like the cases, for $19.99. So I ordered chocolate cake, peanut butter cup, and peanut butter crisp, and then like 2 hours later I get an email saying I only ordered 3 boxes to get free shipping. Otherwise it's like $11.99 for shipping. It was like you had to have $39 worth, or wait, $49 worth to get free shipping. So I'm like, alright, I'll just throw in a 3rd box, I'll eat them. It was like 2 hours later I get an email saying that they couldn't fulfill my order because one of them was out of stock. I'm like, are you joking? But I think I said I still get free shipping. I'm like, that's the whole reason I ordered the 3rd box. Because my GNC doesn't have them in stock. And it was chocolate cake that was out of stock. They didn't have blueberry muffin, they're out of stock. Tomorrow I'm finally gonna try Smart Cakes. I have like so many flavors. My stomach's growling. I was gonna have one today, but I forgot to take them out of the freezer. And then I took it out. Just had to let it sit for 20 minutes. But I was too hungry, so I ate eggs and bacon. So I put it back in the fridge. Okay. Now that it's not as cold, it's not as hard. And the inside is less chewy than when it's at room temperature. So I'd say for the cookies and cream, keep it in the fridge. And like let it sit out for like 20 minutes. So the outside chocolate's not hard. But the inside filling is still like a little hard and less chewy. My hair. I got highlighters. They like sit in this tray and like sit on your desk. So I need to get back into using my planner. Those are so good. I keep thinking I'm going to do my roots, but then I think I might do something different with my hair. And I'm like, oh, I'll just do my roots again until I can decide what I'm doing with my hair. But if I want to have darker roots, then why go through a hassle, you know? So I might just start getting highlights so I have some dark roots. I don't like it when my hair is like white all the way to my scalp. I don't like this look either. They're so good, it's like melting. Poor Allie. Let me show you her eye. Like they collided and instantly her eye was huge. Let me see if it'll focus. Look at her eye. Right on her cheekbone. Look at that. And then we iced it for 20 minutes, then had 20 minutes off. And then we had 20 minutes right before bed. So she stayed up a little bit later and I gave her Motrin. This is right before bed. Poor little thing. So I'm gonna put her in bed. She kept crying. She's afraid the kids at school are gonna laugh at her tomorrow. Poor little thing. If you're new to my channel, she just turned 6 on Valentine's Day. This is like her first big, well, she's had her elbow dislocated before by accident. You know, like you hold your kids' hands and like swing them around in circles or kind of like play. That's what I was doing. I ended up dislocating her elbow. Total accident. Like I took her to the ER because she wouldn't move her arm. And they said it happens all the time. They said if you're ever like swinging your kids around or, you know, kind of doing one of these, like, you know, you're holding their hands and like swing them. They said just always hold them like by their elbow or right above their elbow because it doesn't take much. I'm like, I cried. I felt horrible. And they said don't feel bad because it happens all the time. And they couldn't get it to set. So I took her to the doctor for like a checkup. And he's like, well, why wouldn't they just set it? He's like, you have to just, basically you just have to straighten it out. I think turn it and you kind of tug on it and it pops back in and then it'll... What, buddy? Okay, I'll come in and change it, okay? So she had that, and then the one time Jay was in the recliner and he had her get toys off from under the recliner while she was doing it. I don't know if he leaned it back while she was cleaning out and he smashed her finger. So he smashed her finger and like ripped the skin off and actually broke her finger. So it's not like her first boo-boo. And she's had 2 different like dental surgeries. I'm talking to my camera. But she's never had a big black and blue eye. So she's all upset.
Black eye.
I know Allie's eye looks horrible, huh? You guys collided. You hit her in the eye with your head, huh? On accident? Oh, she hurt her finger a long time ago. I think you were a baby. So yeah, that was the... Yeah, buddy, hold on a second, okay? Let me finish my video. So yeah, that was the cookies and cream Built Bar. And now I'm gonna go put him back in bed. Oh my gosh, it's 10... Buddy, it's after 10 o'clock, okay? It's time to get in bed and stay in bed. He was up before 8 o'clock this morning. He should be asleep. I think he will be shortly. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what your favorite flavors of Built Bars if you eat them. And yeah, thanks for having a snack with me, and I will see you next video. Mom is exhausted. It's been a long day. Bye, guys.